Tesla has great news, a Tesla stock update. I'm just referring to the previous video real quick. I won't do a YouTuber earnings videos second part because there's no interest on it. Alright, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So it was just roughly like 10 days ago or so, Tesla company announced that it could deliver about 140,000 vehicles for the third quarter 2020, which means for the month of July, August and September. So this is an increase of about 30% compared to the previous quarter. So that's very remarkable considering the current world crisis, that they still could sell more. So compared to other car makers, I think Tesla is the only car maker that could even sell more cars during this world crisis. All the others, they have a decrease, like Ford or Mercedes or Audi, etc. They have like around 10% decrease of vehicle deliveries. Alright, then next one. Smash the like button. This year, so in 2020, Tesla aims to produce in total 500,000 vehicles. That's a very ambitious goal because that means that for the next quarter, the fourth quarter 2020, so the last quarter of this year, they have to deliver at least 180,000 vehicles to achieve this kind of target. So that's very ambitious considering that the world crisis is even getting worse. So like 30% even more vehicles on top of the current record. So that's from 140,000 of the third quarter 2020 to 180,000 of the fourth quarter 2020. That's super ambitious. But yeah, that's all about this year. I mean, they will also they will report their earnings report, but in about 10 days or so. So it will come out soon. And another great news is that any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. That Tesla will enter the Indian market next year. So yeah, India has this, as far as I know, the second most population in the world after China. So yeah, it's a huge market, a huge opportunity for Tesla. And yeah, next year will be a great year because also the Cybertruck will come out. Well, they will produce and deliver Cybertrucks and semi-trucks. So it's next year is very promising for the Tesla company. And what do you think about Tesla company and the Tesla stock? Comment in the video description below. And the next great news for Tesla is the full self-driving capability. They will release the beta version of it on 23rd of October 2020, so roughly 10 days. So yeah, it will on the self-driving, the autopilot full self-driving will come closer to its full production, full use for the Tesla vehicles. So when this full self-driving fully works, then there will be this robotaxis, and this robotaxis is also very promising project because it will generate an extra income for the Tesla company, which also drives the Tesla stock even higher because thanks to this robotaxi idea of Elon Musk, it has a way less cost per mile than the current car sharing economy of Uber, Lyft, etc. Because as of right now, all the taxis and all the car sharing companies are doing, it costs roughly like $3 per mile, and with this robotaxi, this way less cost. It's like 1/10, so roughly like 30 cents per mile. So it reduces costs significantly. And well, Tesla will also have a cut of this income of this robotaxi service. So they similar to Uber with the Uber fee. Like I think Uber fee it takes like 10% or 20% or something like that. The same business model also applies for this robotaxi of Tesla. They will also get some sort of fee out of it. So yeah, thanks to this new robotaxi, the Tesla vehicle car owner, they can generate kind of passive income. So the cars works for the Tesla owner, and it can generate roughly about $30,000 per year. So if you have like a Tesla 3 model, you can make your money back like in roughly 1.5 years. So that's very promising. So thanks to this new technology, full self-driving and the robotaxi, it will also increase the demand of Tesla cars tremendously. So thanks to that, the Tesla stock price will also go up and up. Oh yeah, and yeah, just a quick reminder, the Tesla stock price target for next year is $4,000. I also would like to add that the Tesla Model S has a price cut of $3,000. So for the two versions of the Tesla Model S, the Long Range Plus right now costs $71,990 instead of $74,990. And the Tesla Model S Performance right now costs $91,990. So Tesla is really committed to achieve this 500,000 vehicle delivery goal for this year. So it does everything it can to reach this target. I've heard also like the Tesla Model 3 in China, they also slash the price like for $4,000 or $5,000 to increase the sales. So yeah, when it hit this target, the Tesla stock price will skyrocket even higher. I have over 100 videos on my YouTube channel, so there will be certainly some other videos that might be interesting for you. Check out in the video description below. Alright, subscribe and see you next time.